Good day everyone, my name is Glenmark Bautista and for today, we were going to talk about food preservation and its goal. So what is food preservation by the way? So, food preservation is the process of preparing food for future consumption by preventing its spoilage. So, ito yung proseso na kung saan ay mas pinapatagal natin yung lifespan ng pagkain para hindi masira at para mas mapagkinabangan pa natin sa mga susunod na araw o sa mga susunod na linggo. Ayan. So, anong goal ng food preservation? So, the goal of food preservation is to prevent spoilage and retain the nutrient value, natural color, and texture of the food. It is very important to maintain the sanitary quality of food. So, ginagawa naman siguro natin sa ating mga tahanan na nagpre-preserve tayo ng pagkain. And now, we were going to talk about different ways, methods of food preservation. So, ano nga ba yung mga iba't ibang paraan ng pag-iimbak ng pagkain? So, first method is salting or pag-aasin. This method makes use of salt as the main ingredient together with other ingredients like sugar, pepper, and spices. So ito na paraan is very basic sa atin na mga naninirahan dito sa old poblasyon dahil ito ang paraan na ginagamit natin sa bulad, isda, para mas matagal yung lifespan na isda. Binababad siya sa brain solution or ang iba ay nilalagyan ng asin. Ganon. So, may dalawang uri tayo ng salting. Ito yung paglalagay ng asin sa mismong product or yung ginagawa natin yung brine solution. So, isa ito sa mga basic na ginagawa natin, no? Salting. Second method is drying or yung pagbibilad. So, this method involves the removal of water content in food until it becomes dry. It can be done through the use of wind or sun. So, dito sa ating barangay o poblasyon, ginagawa natin sa mga bulad. Pag binibilad natin sa araw, at isa sa mga nakasanayan natin is yung banana chips. Alam naman natin na itong banana chips ay kailangan talaga ng araw, ng init, para pag prinito is very crispy siya. So, drying. Yung una is salting, pangalawa naman is drying. Next is freezing. This method, the food is placed in freezing compartment to maintain the good quality of food. So, sa ating mga bahay, ito yung pinaka-basic na ginagawa natin. Yung pag may bili tayong bagong karne, is inilalagay lang natin sa freezer at naglalast ito ng weeks, months, and maybe years if na-maintain yung freezing. So, kaya lang natin to gawin without any equipment na ginagamit, basta may freezer lang tayo. So, first is salting, second is drying, and third is freezing. Next is smoking. Smoke helps keep bacteria carrying insects away during drying process. So, ito naman yung ginagawa sa mga fish, sa mga salmon is pinapausukan. Mas kilala tayo dun sa tawag na smokehouse. Meron ito nung ang grade 12 smoke bangus. So next is we have pickling. The process of using an acidic brine to prevent a food. Acidic brines are made with entire salty water, sugar water, lemon juice, or vinegar. So pickling, ito yung paraan na kung saan ilalagay natin yung food sa ating jar and nilalagyan natin ng water or vinegar or yung mga acidic na mga liquid like lemon juice, ganito. And the pinaka-basic dito na ginagawa natin is ang sayote pickle na ginawa natin ito nung high school tayo, ang carrot pickle na ito na procedure is nakakatulong ito upang magtagal ang lifespan ng isang prutas o ng isang pagkain at mas maging masarap at mas juicy. So, kanina is salting, second is drying, third is we have freezing, fourth is smoking, and last is pickling. At ngayon, ano nga ba ang importance ng food preservation? So number 1, decrease wastage of food. So, mas mapapababa natin yung pagsasalag natin ng pagkain kasi pag marami tayong pagkain at i-preserve natin ito, magagamit pa natin to sa near future. So, magdi-decrease yung wastage of food. Pangalawa is protect from microorganism. Pangatlo, increase shelf life and supplement. Pang-apat, maintain good quality of food. Ganyan talaga, pag nag-iimbak tayo, kailangan ma-maintain ang food, ma-maintain yung beauty, yung color, and nutrient ng food. And last, makes food available throughout the year. So, pag nag-iimbak tayo, ang make sure natin is dapat is makonsyam pa to bukas or sa susunod na week, yun yung importance ng food preservation. And that's all, everyone. I hope you learned something new in this video, and thank you for listening, and I hope sabay-sabay tayo mag-iimbak ng pagkain para sa susunod na panahon is hindi na tayo makakaramdam ng gutom, at the same time makakatulong pa tayo sa ating environment. That would be all, and thank you for listening. Good day, everyone. Bye!